Feeding the Birds, an instructional video. Over here on our patio, you will see 4 canisters. All of these contain different bird feeds because I'm weirdly obsessed with birds. If we walk over to those canisters, you will see containers. This container is what we usually start with. You come to the first canister at the very end, and open it, maybe. There you go. And you will find peanuts. Peanuts are something the squirrels like. So you take one of these and you fill 2 containers. Layer 1 and 2. Okay. You then put the lid back on the peanuts because you're done with the peanuts. And you come over to this canister that's second in. And you find sunflower seeds. You take about a half, maybe 3/4. Not a completely entirely full canister, but essentially. And you put a scoop in with the peanuts. Okay? And then you take this little glass container and you fill it all the way up with sunflower seeds. And then that just sits in the canister or in the container. So now we're done with sunflower seeds. Then we move on to mealworm, which is the 3rd canister. Yay! You take this little thing here and you fill it up all the way. All the way. Birds love this stuff. Can't get enough of it. You set that in the bucket. Okay. I now have a bucket that is full of peanuts, sunflower seeds, and then a container of sunflower seeds and a container of mealworm. I now walk my container over to my bird feeders. Our first stop is the open feeder. You can see here, this is the open feeder. And what you do is you take the mealworm container first. Rick is gonna film now. No, Rick, you can't see me. Okay, you're gonna take the mealworm container, pour it in. Wait, she missed me pouring it in. Okay, and then you take the sunflower seeds and do the same. So mealworm and sunflower seeds from the glass container. And now I take my bucket of squirrel feed and bird feed and walk it over to the squirrel feeder. And lastly, you see, we have this down here. This is the suet feeder. We're going to, actually, not lastly, second to last, we're going to take this. This is safflower seeds.
So much shit to do.
Safflower seeds. Come over here. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me.
It's gonna be a 5-minute long video. Who are you sending this to?
No.
It's never sending to anybody.
Okay. So look here, first container. This is safflower seeds. Safflower seeds are white. You just fill this thing up. I don't know what that is. Ugh. But fill this up. Okay. That will then get hung back. And here in this lovely container, you can see suet blocks. So you take a suet block. You walk over back here. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me.
I'm so sorry about this. Whoever has to do this.
Hang.
Stupid.
Excuse me. Listen to them. You hang the safflower seeds back up. You take the suet block. It goes into, eventually, there you go, the suet block container, which has a little clip at the end here. You just pinch it open, just like that. And all I do is smash the suet block in. You do not have to do a suet block every single day. You just do a suet block when it's essentially out. Don't worry about this one. It's a lost cause. I'm gonna worry about that later. And that's how you do the bird feed.
I'm so sorry about all that.